Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make these Helldivers frag grenades so that you can use for cosplay or if you're like me for your Halloween costume. The first step is going to be to 3D print out the base, and if you want the file, it's going to be in my video description for free. So the base just has the main body and the clip. And from the way it's printed, there's going to be these like harsh lines, so I'm just going to go in with some sandpaper to just kind of smooth it out. Once that is done, you really want to make sure you get off the dust so that way it doesn't mix with the paint. The next step is going to be to paint, and the body is going to be black. I'm going to be using acrylic paint here, but you could also use black spray paint. My black spray paint was just clogged up, so I couldn't use it. For the lines, I'm going to be using masking tape, and what we're going to do is basically make a stencil. So you want to place the first one about 1 centimeter away from that top ridge, and then place a second one 1 centimeter away from the first one. Again, for the lines, I'm going in with some acrylic paint, and since the base background is black, I recommend going in with some white and yellow and mixing that, so that way the paint gives it a more opaque effect since it will show up more. The paint I'm using isn't really that good, so I'm going in with about 4 coats. While that's drying, I'm going to start making the logo, and all it is just a sheet of paper with the logo printed out, and then I'm just going to cut that out. If you want the same exact size that I have for the same exact ratio, it's also going to be in my video description. All it is just a Canva, and then you just print it out as a PDF. Now is the satisfying part of just peeling the tape. Okay, it wasn't that satisfying because the tape didn't really work that well, so I'm just gonna go in with some black and just to kind of clean it up a bit. To glue on the logo, you could really use anything. I'm just using normal Elmer's stick glue. For the clip, it's super easy. Just spray paint it with silver spray paint to give that metal effect. This step is optional, but if you want to give it that scratched up and beaten up look, you could use this silver spray paint and just spray in one concentrated area, and then use a brush to kind of drag out these long strokes. This gives it an illusion that there's metal underneath because like an actual grenade's made of metal. And then I'm going to go in with this small thinner brush used for nail art to give it like that final touch. To attach the clip to the body, use hot glue, and they're gonna snap perfectly together because the body has this positive space and the clip has this negative space. This step is also optional, but I like to go in with clear gloss coating so it gives it that final shiny look so it looks like metal. And there you have it. Now you have Helldivers grenades that you could use to spread democracy and kill all the stupid battle titans and battle viewers and spread democracy. Thank you for watching.